Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to do the frontside disaster. So the frontside disaster is a fun trick and I love to do them every time I skate in a bowl or a ramp. You can go up straight or you can go up with a little bit of angle, so you don't have to do the full frontside 180 with the pop. You can just scoop your tail, but you will figure it out, whatever is more comfortable for you. Step 1, learn the frontside 180 on flat, because it's pretty much the same and it never hurts if you learn the frontside 180, but the choice is yours. Foot position for this trick is your back foot on the tail and your front foot on the bolt. Make sure you have enough speed to clear the coping, and the first thing is to start above your frontside 180 or scoop your tail when your front wheels almost reach the coping. Make sure you turn your shoulders and look down on the coping to spot your landing, and try to land with the middle of your board on the coping. Try to push your board up to the deck over the coping, but in the same time try to keep some of your weight in the ramp. When you do the frontside disaster, you don't want to stay on the top of the deck too long. When you learn it, it's fine, but you should aim for one solid motion. To get back to the ramp, you have to put a slight pressure on your nose and lean back into the ramp. Make sure you lift up your back truck and clear the coping. Then put down all 4 wheels, shift your balance quickly to the center of your board, then roll away. Let me know in the comments below if you learned this trick or you still practice it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video and follow me on different socials, but the most important is to grab your board, then go skate and have fun.